In the ever-evolving landscape of network security, encryption stands as a critical line of defense, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. Among the many encryption algorithms that have emerged over the years, DES, or Data Encryption Standard, and its successor, DDS, hold a prominent place in the history of cryptography. DS, adopted as a federal standard in 1977, marked a watershed moment in the realm of cryptography. Developed by IBM, DS provided a standardized method for protecting electronic data, becoming the first encryption algorithm to gain widespread adoption. DDS, as its name suggests, built upon the foundation laid by DES, offering enhanced security to address the growing concerns surrounding DES's vulnerability to brute force attacks. By essentially applying the DES algorithm 3 times in succession, DDS significantly increased the complexity of the encryption process, making it considerably more resistant to attacks. We will examine the security weaknesses that led to their phasing out in favor of more robust alternatives, such as the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES. While no longer considered the gold standard in encryption, DS and DDS played a crucial role in advancing the field of cryptography, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape the way we secure our digital world. Before the advent of DES, encryption was largely confined to the realm of government and military applications. The development and standardization of DES brought about a paradigm shift, making strong encryption accessible to businesses and individuals alike. For the first time, a robust encryption algorithm was available for widespread use, enabling the secure transmission of sensitive information across insecure networks. DS, with its 56-bit key length, was considered highly secure for its time. Banks, financial institutions, and businesses handling sensitive data quickly embraced DES, relying on its encryption capabilities to protect their valuable assets. It paved the way for the development of secure communication protocols, such as SSL and TLS, which are now ubiquitous in online transactions and secure communication. However, as computing power advanced and cryptanalysis techniques became more sophisticated, concerns began to surface regarding the long-term viability of DES's 56-bit key length. At the heart of DES lies a complex algorithm that operates on blocks of 64 bits of plaintext, transforming them into 64 bits of ciphertext using a secret key. The algorithm consists of a series of permutations, substitutions, and XOR operations, all carefully orchestrated to introduce confusion and diffusion into the ciphertext. The DES algorithm begins by dividing the 64-bit plaintext block into 2 32-bit halves. Each half then undergoes a series of transformations, including expansion, key mixing, substitution, and permutation. One of the key features of the DES algorithm is the use of S-boxes, which are substitution boxes that introduce nonlinearity into the encryption process. These S-boxes map 6-bit input values to 4-bit output values, following a predefined table lookup. After multiple rounds of these transformations, the 2 halves of the data are recombined, resulting in the final 64-bit ciphertext block. As concerns surrounding DES's key length grew, cryptographers sought ways to bolster its security without completely abandoning the well-established algorithm. This led to the development of DDS, a clever adaptation of DES that effectively tripled the key length, making it significantly more resistant to brute force attacks. DDS involves applying the DES algorithm 3 times to each block of data. The process can be summarized as encrypt, decrypt, encrypt, using either 2 or 3 different DS keys. By encrypting the data 3 times, DDS effectively creates a key space that is vastly larger than that of DS. DDS emerged as a practical solution to address the growing concerns surrounding DES's security, providing a relatively simple way to enhance the security of existing DES implementations without requiring a complete overhaul of systems and infrastructure. The strength of DDS lies in its layered approach to encryption. By applying the DES algorithm 3 times in succession, DDS effectively creates a cascade of encryption barriers, making it considerably more difficult for attackers to break through. Let's delve into the steps involved in DDS encryption using 3 different keys, K1, K2, K3. First, encryption with key 1. The plaintext block is first encrypted using the DES algorithm with key K1. Next, decryption with key 2. The resulting ciphertext is then decrypted using the DES algorithm with key K2. Finally, encryption with key 3. The output from the previous step is encrypted again using the DES algorithm with key K3, resulting in the final ciphertext block. Decryption follows the reverse process using the keys in reverse order, K3, K2, K1. Triple DS, with its increased key length and multi-layered encryption process, provided a much-needed security boost over DES, effectively extending its lifespan in a world of rapidly advancing computing power. DES and Triple DS, despite their eventual decline, have left an indelible mark on the landscape of network security. Their widespread adoption for over 2 decades led to their integration into a wide array of applications and protocols, shaping the way we secure our digital communications. One of the most prominent applications of DES and Triple DS was in the financial industry. Banks and financial institutions relied heavily on these algorithms to secure electronic fund transfers, ATM transactions, and other sensitive financial operations. Their standardization and widespread availability made them ideal choices for securing critical financial infrastructure. Another notable application was in government and military communications. DES, with its endorsement by the National Security Agency, NSA, became a trusted standard for protecting classified information. Government agencies and military organizations relied on DES to secure their communications, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive data. Beyond these specific sectors, DES and Triple DS found applications in various other domains, including database encryption, VPN protocols, and password protection. As with any technology, time and progress eventually caught up with DES. While groundbreaking for its time, inherent weaknesses in its design, coupled with the relentless march of computing power, ultimately led to its downfall as a secure encryption standard. One of the primary concerns surrounding DES was its relatively short key length of 56 bits. In 1998, a custom-built machine known as the DES cracker successfully broke DES encryption in under 60 hours, demonstrating the algorithm's vulnerability to brute force attacks. This event sent shockwaves through the cryptography community, highlighting the urgent need for a more robust encryption standard. Beyond brute force attacks, other theoretical weaknesses in the DES algorithm, such as differential and linear cryptanalysis, raised further concerns about its long-term viability. The security concerns surrounding DES prompted a search for stronger alternatives that could withstand the test of time and the ever-evolving threat landscape. This led to the development and adoption of new encryption standards, most notably the Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, which offered significant advantages over DES and Triple DS. AES, with its larger key sizes, 128, 192, or 256 bits, and more robust mathematical foundations, quickly gained recognition as the successor to DS. Its adoption by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, in 2001 solidified its status as the new gold standard in encryption. The transition from DES and Triple DS to AES was not an overnight phenomenon. Legacy systems and infrastructure often relied heavily on these older algorithms, making immediate migration impractical. However, the writing was on the wall, and the cryptography community recognized the need to move towards more secure alternatives. The phasing out of DES and Triple DS was a gradual process, driven by a combination of factors including security concerns, standardization efforts, and industry best practices. The Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, with its larger key sizes, stronger mathematical foundations, and efficient implementation, emerged as the front-runner in the search for a successor to DES. Its adoption by NIST in 2001 marked a turning point in the world of cryptography, ushering in a new era of secure communication. AES, unlike DS, is a block cipher that operates on blocks of 128 bits of data, using keys of 128, 192, or 256 bits. Its design is based on the Rindale cipher, which was selected from a pool of candidates through a rigorous evaluation process conducted by NIST. The AES algorithm consists of a series of rounds, each involving 4 main transformations: subbytes, shift rows, mix columns, and add round key. These transformations are repeated multiple times depending on the key size to ensure a high level of security. The larger key sizes of AES, combined with its robust mathematical design, make it resistant to known cryptanalytic attacks, providing a significant security advantage over DS and triple DS. AES quickly gained recognition as the successor to DES, providing a more secure and future-proof solution for protecting sensitive information in the digital age. DES and triple DS, while no longer considered secure by today's standards, played a pivotal role in the history of cryptography. Their development and widespread adoption marked a turning point in the realm of network security, paving the way for the robust encryption methods we rely on today. DES, with its standardization in 1977, brought strong encryption to the forefront, making it accessible to businesses and individuals alike. Its adoption as a federal standard further cemented its status as the go-to encryption algorithm for over 2 decades. Triple DES, building upon the foundation laid by DES, addressed the growing concerns surrounding DES's key length, providing a practical solution to enhance security without requiring a complete overhaul of existing systems. However, the relentless march of technological advancement and the ever-evolving threat landscape eventually caught up with these algorithms. The transition to AES, with its larger key sizes and stronger mathematical foundations, marked a new chapter in the world of cryptography. While DES and triple DS may no longer be the gold standard in encryption, their legacy lives on. They served as stepping stones in the evolution of cryptography, paving the way for the more robust and sophisticated encryption algorithms that safeguard our digital world today. Their story serves as a reminder that the pursuit of security is an ongoing journey, requiring constant innovation and adaptation to stay ahead of emerging threats.